I welcome every creators to this video tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to create a dark moody tones using Lightroom. I urge you to watch to the very end. So under the light tool, we reduce the exposure to give it a little darkness. Okay, I think it's okay like this. Then you increase the contrast and the highlight. You increase them a little. Then you decrease the shadow to the maximum level to add a little darkness to the image. Okay, and then you increase the white and black. Okay, I think we are okay with that. Then you move to the color tool where we are going to increase the vibrance and the temperature. And so you increase the vibrance to 59. You increase the vibrance to 59. Okay, 58 is okay. And then the temperature to 14. Okay, I think it's okay like this. And as you can see, by increasing the two color, as you can see it makes the color pop out. So we move down to the effects and then we reduce this vignette to 30. You decrease it to 30. Okay, I think it's okay like this. After this, go back to the color and choose the color grading tool. Yeah, so we're right here, and then you at first we're going to work on the green color. So we're working on the green color, so you increase the weight to 100%. As you can see, the green color has been changed, and then you increase the saturation to 100. So then you move to your yellow color and decrease the saturation to 20. Okay, let's leave it like that to 21. And then you move back to your blue color and reduce this tool to 80. You reduce it to 80. Okay, and then the saturation to 70. And then the luminance to 30. Okay, and then you move back. We are done with this. So guys, we are done with this, and then you move back to your effect and then increase the highlight to 15. And then you increase the texture to 100%. Okay, let's reduce it back a little. Okay, let's increase it to 40. So you increase the texture to 40. And then since we are done with that, you go back to the color and then decrease the exposure a little bit so that it can add more light to the image. So guys, as you can see, this is how you can achieve this kind of effect using Lightroom. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video. I'll see you in my next video.